Actually, all in all, I got a $3 tip online. And like $6. And like $6 in cash. So guys, this was not a bad yeah, so we're just gonna go back to Harlem there. Nice. So yeah, guys, it was a bit of a little awkward one there at the very end, because my GPS has kind of went bonkers on me a little bit because it tilted sideways, and so like left was actually up, right was left, and anyways guys, here we are. So we've made our first delivery on this beautiful Astri motor, and it was pretty good, pretty comfortable, pretty successful. I mean, like I said, if I put a rack on the back of here, if I put a rack on the back there, then all this trouble of handling the food, holding it straight, you know, here on the handlebars. I mean, if it was food only, no drinks, I could hang it up in the bag, put it on my back. That's not a problem. However, when you have drinks, you got to keep them. You got to keep them up. So yeah, I guess it's passed its test, because you know, certainly we made like $11 on this little dash here. So that's awesome. And we're gonna do a battery swap. But guys, that was very quick. I mean, I got here in like less than 5 minutes for them. So yeah, that was amazing. So yeah, I guess guys, the next review will be hopefully we can maybe put a basket on there without ordering the bracket. But yeah, I don't think we could. I would need some kind of a platform, a sturdy platform to attach it to. So in any case guys, we're gonna do an hasta la ciao ciao here. We're gonna do a battery swap, and we're gonna start heading home. It is already 4:30 in the PM, and yeah, we best start heading home. All right guys, so yeah, hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out from the concrete jungle of the Home Depot in Norridge, Chicago, Illinois.